Imagine fresh lemons for your tea, grown right in your living room. Yes, it's possible to cultivate citrus trees indoors, and it's easier than you might think. Indoor citrus trees offer beauty and fragrance, adding a touch of nature to your home decor. Plus, they provide the added benefit of homegrown fruit. While it may seem tricky at first, growing citrus inside is easier than you think. With the right care, including proper watering, sunlight, and occasional feeding, your tree will thrive and provide delicious fruit for years to come. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this journey can be incredibly rewarding. This guide will help you grow beautiful citrus indoors. Citrus trees thrive in warm, sunny climates, and bringing them indoors allows you to enjoy these Mediterranean favorites even in colder regions. Not all citrus varieties are suitable for indoor growing. Choosing the right type is crucial for success. Varieties like Meyer lemons, calamondine oranges, and dwarf lime trees are excellent choices. This guide will cover all aspects of indoor citrus care, from selecting the right tree to understanding the best soil mix, watering schedules, and pest control. From selecting the right tree to ensuring it gets enough light and nutrients to enjoying your first homegrown orange, this guide has you covered. Get ready to bring a slice of the tropics into your home. Not all citrus trees are created equal when it comes to indoor growing. Some varieties, like the Meyer lemon and calamondine orange, are naturally compact and adapt well to containers. These dwarf varieties are perfect for indoor spaces, as they won't grow too large. When choosing a tree, look for one that is healthy and vibrant. Avoid any with yellowing leaves or signs of pests. A young tree, around 2 to 3 years old, is ideal as it will adapt better to its new environment. Remember, patience is key. It may take a few years for your tree to start producing fruit. Citrus trees need well-draining soil that retains moisture without becoming waterlogged. A good potting mix for citrus should contain peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite. These ingredients provide aeration and drainage, which are essential for healthy root growth. Choose a pot that is slightly larger than the root ball of your tree. A pot that is too large can lead to overwatering and root rot. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom. Repot your citrus tree every 2 to 3 years or when it becomes root-bound. Section 4. Let there be light. Citrus trees are sun lovers. They thrive best when they receive ample sunlight throughout the day. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day to thrive. Without sufficient light, their growth can be stunted, and fruit production may be poor. Place your tree near a south-facing window where it can soak up the sun's rays. This position ensures that the tree gets the maximum amount of sunlight available. If you don't have a south-facing window, you can supplement with artificial grow lights. These lights mimic natural sunlight and can help your tree grow healthy and strong. Rotate the pot every few weeks to ensure even growth on all sides. This practice helps the tree receive light evenly, preventing one side from becoming leggy or weak. During the winter months, when daylight hours are shorter, you may need to provide additional light with a grow lamp. This ensures that the tree continues to receive the light it needs even when natural sunlight is limited. Proper lighting is crucial for photosynthesis, which is essential for the tree's growth and fruit production. Without adequate light, the tree cannot produce the energy it needs to grow and bear fruit. Section 5. Citrus Care, Water, Feed, and Flourish. Watering your citrus tree properly is crucial for its health. Citrus trees thrive when they receive the right amount of water, which helps them absorb nutrients effectively. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. This ensures that the water reaches the roots, promoting strong growth and preventing the tree from becoming stressed. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Root rot is a common issue that can severely damage your tree, causing yellow leaves and stunted growth. Citrus trees also benefit from regular feeding during the growing season, which is spring and summer. Feeding provides essential nutrients that support flowering and fruiting. Use a balanced fertilizer specifically formulated for citrus trees. This type of fertilizer contains the right mix of nutrients to keep your tree healthy and productive. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully. Over-fertilizing can be just as harmful as under-fertilizing, so it's important to get the balance right. In addition to watering and feeding, regular pruning will help keep your tree healthy and encourage fruit production. Pruning helps to shape the tree and remove any unwanted growth. Remove any dead or diseased branches, as well as any branches that are crossing or rubbing against each other. This will improve air circulation and light penetration, which are vital for the tree's overall health.